Hello and welcome to ePrime this evening. I am Daedran. Capleton is safe. The DJ made the revelation via social media last evening, adding that he was at home resting. The tweet followed the revelation of an accident in St. Thomas. Reports are that the DJ was with his family when the accident occurred. Now, Jacure is to remain behind bars. On Tuesday, a Netherlands judge, during a pro forma hearing, ruled that the incarcerated reggae singer should continue serving his 6-year sentence for attempted manslaughter in that country. In a pro forma hearing, a judge decides whether or not a person should remain incarcerated. In March of this year, Jacure, whose real name is Secretary Alcock, was acquitted of an attempted murder charge but was convicted of attempted manslaughter. The singer is accused of stabbing a promoter over unpaid fees in October 2021. Jacure came to fame in the early 2000s while being locked up for rape charges when his Behind These Prison Walls and Longing for singles hit mainstream. His 2015 album The Cure was nominated by the Grammys for Best Reggae Album. Now, Chris Gayle to headline a new reggae compilation album alongside Lauryn Hill, Jason Derulo, Redman, Morgan Heritage, Capleton, among others. The album, A Tropical House, cruises to Jamaica, the Asian edition. It's set for release this October and sees Gayle on Gimme Your Love featuring upcoming artist Chavez. The album is produced by Sean Contractor Edwards. Contractor shared with ePrime that it was a strategic marketing move to position Chris Gayle based on his extensive sports platform, and he is expecting huge record sales in the Asian market while also anticipating growth for the local tourism industry. Now, Gayle moved into the dancehall space back in 2020 with We Come Out to Party. Since then, he has had great success with a single From India to Jamaica featuring Indian rapper Emiwe Bantai. The single currently has over 56 million views on YouTube. Further afield, Idris Elba is gearing up for the release of his summer lion attack thriller, Beast. The film, set for release this week, sees Elba portraying Dr. Daniels, a widowed dad of 2 teenage girls who takes his family on a sightseeing trip to the South African Game Reserve. Now, fans are shocked and excited as Elba is seen engaging in a hand-to-paw combat with the lion. Elba fans will get a double dose of the star, as he also stars in 3,000 Years Along, scheduled for release at the end of this month. I'm Daedran reporting for ePrime. Thank you for watching.